How to make clear syrup at home for dessert or drinks. Today, I'm sharing a simple way to prepare syrup to keep at home for easy use. The ingredients are 1 kg of granulated sugar, 500 ml of water, and 1 piece of lime. This is very simple and easy. Let's cook. Put in all of the granulated sugar in the pot. Use a spoon to spread the level of sugars in the pot. Add in all of the water. Use a spoon to spread the level of sugars and water in the pot. Make sure that the sugar is submerged in the water. Also, try to minimize stirring between waters and sugar. Now, squeeze the lime juice directly in the pot. Adding lime juice will make the syrup clearer. Switch on the heat to medium and set the time for 10 minutes. We want to bring it to boil. After 2 minutes, the sugar water will start to boil. We will allow it to continue boiling until the sugar is dissolved. Do not stir, as agitating the sugar while it is hot will cause sugar crystal form. After 6 minutes, almost all of the sugars has dissolved. We will continue to boil the liquid for another 4 minutes. At the 7 minutes, the sugar water is boiling vigorously. Look at how clear it is. We will continue to boil for another 3 more minutes. Alright, 3 minutes is over. The super clear syrup is done. Turn off the heat if it hasn't gone off automatically. Can you see? There is some foam forming on top of the syrup. This is okay. Just a little bit of air is trapped and it will find its way out. The syrup is super clear and beautiful. We will leave it here to cool down. Meanwhile, please do not stir or cover the pot. Allow the syrup to cool down naturally in the pot with minimum disturbance and vibration. Agitating the sugar will cause the sugar to crystallize and we may get lumps in our syrup. For this amount of syrup, it will take around 2 to 3 hours to completely cool down. After 3 hours, the syrup has completely cooled down now. I will use the spoon to scoop out the foam floating on top. Now that the syrup is already cooled down, we can stir it. See, the texture and the consistency of the syrup is perfect. It is very clear and very thick. Lovely. Now we can keep it in a dry container or a bottle. We want to keep the syrup away from heat and water to lengthen its lifespan. Always use the dry spoon when using some of it. This syrup can be kept for a long time in the fridge and is very useful for making refreshing drinks, dessert, or even for coffee and tea. We have come to the end of this video. Subscribe for more simple recipe like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.